We started out basically with your manual machine shop, and over the years we grew into a few small CNC pieces that would help us to do a little better volume of work. We've then grown into several CNC machines now, and we do a wide range of work from 5-axis work to multiple piece runs. With this, we've been able to add our own heat treating services. Several parts we make, we can basically do it from the raw steel to making and designing the part, reverse engineering if needed, to the final heat treat and shipping out to the customer. With the different departments, we're able to offer a wide range of services to our customers. Here at Froedge Machine, as we say, we're here to make it work. When you are down and you're needing a part, it is our priority throughout the shop to get this part finished and back to you at a timely manner. They are more important to us if they're running at 100%. We'll do whatever it takes to make it work.